everybody, Kosoalbanidis here, and I'm ready today to show you using the amazing canvas that I'm sure that most of you already used it, and doing several projects and testing and creating even videos with this amazing platform that even with the free plan it gives a lot of features that you can create even presentation, whiteboards, videos, and anything you like. Okay, today I'm gonna show you, because we are working always and every day reviewing and testing for the main site AI tool detective. That's something that really comes very natural to review and examine all those tools that it comes every day, a new tool that we have to check and we have to evaluate. With this platform, I'm gonna try to test, I don't know how many, but I'm gonna test as many as you wish, and you can write down to the comments about any tool that you want me to evaluate and test. Even if it's a paid one, I'm gonna try and show you what it's doing, and if it really worth the price that the tag, okay, the price tag. Let me show you here to the Canva. To go straight to the point, for today we're gonna create a Facebook cover for our project, okay, for the AI tool detective Facebook page. We tried to create one with a playground AI app, and you know that this tool is really amazing too. You can create about 300, if I remember, photos for every day for free. And Canvas, it gives you an ability. Let's start a new project here to create a Facebook cover. You see, it's starting normally with the normal size, so you don't have to find out what you need to start your project. We're gonna do it on many ways. You see, you can choose one of the ready-made templates. Let's say we want this one. Sorry. Okay, I apologize about that. I should always remember to turn off the distractions, and you know, that's something that I always say. It's very easy for our mobiles to turn the sound off, or just to select the option not to disturb. Sorry. Let's continue here. You know, here we see that we can use a ready-made template, and as you can see, it's very easy to add another page and try something new. You see, I just select another template from the ready one, and I can use it. If you see these signs, it means that it's watermarked. So here, if you want to use this part of this template, you're gonna have to pay €1 or $1 for each element. If we select it and click delete, we have removed the watermarked part. And as you can see here, we have the option to magic write. It's using the AI tools of Canvas. that they're embedded now inside the platform, and you can easily create a catchy title or write something more inside your template. It's good not to keep it simple, not to add too many details inside this template. Okay, we have two possible you see templates here. We can add another page that it can be with a color, with a background, or we can delete the background and have it just white. We can even try, if not the ready templates, to go to Magic Media. That it's an option that in fact you have to pay about it, and use it with the AI technology to create pictures. You can create any kind of picture with watercolor, with to be dreamy. That dreamy is really amazing. You have to try it to many photos. You can create a photo of anything you want with normal photo. Avoid the photos that they have people inside. Okay, in case you create it with watercolor or anime, it's gonna be okay. But with a normal photo or filmic, you're gonna see that there are gonna be mistakes to the photos. I'm gonna show you here some photos that I created with this technology. Here we're gonna see the photos from the AI tool detective. It's the photos that it generated, okay, the Canvas platform. See, I select this one, that it's really nice. I can set it as a background. I can double click on the background, and then you see, if I double click, I have the ability to drag it over here where I want it to be. You see here, it looks really nice. And with these colors, it's really amazing and very interesting to put as a Facebook cover. We have the colors that we want, and you see with the... Okay, as you can see, the colors here, they fit great with our project. We're gonna add a header. Okay, we just select the text here, and we add a heading. The heading is over here. For our situation, we don't want to cover the faces here. Okay, let's put it over here. I guess it's okay. And we're gonna write here your AI tool detective. Okay, because the main idea is we evaluate and review AI tools, and that's the main idea of this website. And let's see here, we can easily add color to our text, and at the same time, let me show you. You see, I can make the color, the letters to be bold. I can come to effect here and add a background. You see, it's really nice. But the background, we can make it transparent like that, and select maybe another color. We can select, let's say, this one, and make it or make it like that. You see, that fits better, or even like that it's really fit even better. We go back to here to the colors, and we make it a little bit more transparent, and we change the letter color to white. I guess now it looks really interesting and very nice. And if you don't like this color, the one that we used, you can go more to this one, that it fits more with the rest of the colors around, okay? Or even with the blue that we use for the logo. When you're ready and you're done with this one, you can click share and then download. If you work with multiple templates and pages, you can easily select the one that you are working, the current page. You see here, you can select just the current page, so you can extract just the one page that you're interested in. We select this one and download. Okay, we're gonna get a copy of this very nice, sorry, wait a moment. Okay, everybody, now we are ready to move on and go to Facebook and see the magic. You see, I have already added the logo and we are ready here to edit cover photo. We upload a photo. Okay, I'm going to the projects here and we select the one that we just created. Let's see the result. I'm definitely sure that Canvas did the magic. You see, it really looks very interesting and the colors are great. I guess you like it too. You can write your comments down below and tell me what you think about that, because I really think that Canvas created the perfect image, that it has to do with detective and AI, with technology. And we have the AI tool, detective caption under it, and it looks really, really nice. That's all from me for the moment. You can play easily with Canvas and add as many headings as you want, or you can even try to play with the pictures. Before I close, I just wanted to tell you just one thing about AI photos, the one that I told you to create and the one that I told you not to create. It's the one that I told you not to create is with faces, and when it has to do with people, because as you're gonna see, okay, here we have the eyes closed and it looks better, but if you go, let's say, to any other picture that the eyes are open, you're gonna notice that they look a little bit strange. And in case you want to use it with blur, it's gonna look nice, but if you want to use any of those pictures with without blur, it's gonna be a little bit creepy. So as you see, those pictures, they have this transparency, you see, and you can write something on it, or you can make it blur so that they don't somebody won't be able to see all this kind of creepy stuff and details, because really, you see, that was a prompt about creating many excited girls and women shouting. So you see this result, but again, any of those pictures, if you see it, let me show you this one too. You see, this woman really looks creepy, and even all the other with the eyes, because the AI tries to change the faces and to be copyrighted. Okay, I'm not keeping it long about that. It's really interesting. I hope you get the idea about the Facebook cover, and you're gonna create yours amazing Facebook cover too. Just avoid the faces with the AI. Thank you very much for the moment. I wish you the best, and I'll see you to a next video. Have a great day.